Hello everyone, welcome to channel Compass Education, and today we will discuss exercise 8.2 question number 1 from trigonometry chapter, and our question is evaluate the following. So first we will calculate sin 60 degree multiplied by cos 30 plus sin 30 degree multiplied by cos 60 degree. So first of all we will require some trigonometric ratios which we will need to calculate this expression. So first of all we need sin 60 degree which is equal to root 3 by 2, and that is also equal to the cos 30 degree. Similarly we will need sin 30 degree which is equal to 1 by 2, and this value 1 by 2 is also the value of trigonometric ratio cos 60 degree. For trigonometric ratios calculation, you can view our previous video in which we discuss about how to calculate these specific ratios. We will write down the values of these trigonometric ratios in the expression, and the expression will become sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 multiply with cos 30 degree, that is also root 3 by 2, plus sin 30 degree, that is 1 by 2 multiply with cos 60 degree, that is also 1 by 2. So after calculating root 3 into root 3, ये हमारे पास हो जाएगा 3, and 2 into 2 will become 4, plus 1 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2 will become also 1 by 4. So by solving this we will get 1. The value of sin 60 degree multiply with cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree multiply with cos 60 degree is equal to the 1. Now move to the second part. We have to calculate 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So to calculate these values we need a tan 45. So tan 45 degree will be equal to the 1, and cos 30 and cos 60 are the root 3 by 2. So by putting these values in expression we will get second expression. हम यहाँ पे सबसे पहले नोट डाउन करते हैं. सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन है हमारे पास 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So by putting the values in the expression we will get 2 into the value of tan 45 is 1, so here 1 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 degree is also root 3 by 2 whole square. So by solving this you will get 2 into 1 plus the square of root 3 by 2 is 3 by 4 minus again 3 by 4. So we can subtract 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. So this will equal to 0, and the value of expression will become 2. So we can write down the value of expression 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree will be equal to 2. So I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.